Welcome back. We have seen how the inner join works as a part of the conceptual class. We'll understand that better with the hands-on example. I have logged into Ubuntu. Within that, I have installed the MySQL and I am logging it to database called University. So this is the database. So we will go ahead and create a couple of tables to experience the inner join. I'm going to create a table called customers. You would have done it multiple times. If you see, we have customer ID, name, age, and address. These are the 4 columns with the various data types. Let us insert some data into this particular table. I already typed in this for you. So I inserted the data. So you can just take time, type in this in a notepad, copy and paste, and insert the data into this table called customers. Let us see how the data looks like. This is our table called customers with 4 columns. Let us create one more table because we would need 2 tables to experience the joins. So I'm creating one more table called orders. If you look at the number of columns here, we have 3 columns: order ID, customer ID, and purchase amount. I'm inserting few records into orders table. There you go. Now let us see how the data looks like in orders. Okay, this is the data. So if you see, in order to join customers table with the orders, we got to have a common key or common field or a common column. Then only we'll be able to join 2 tables. Which is the common key between orders and customers? Can you just check? Customer ID is the common key or common column between the customers table and orders table, right? Customers ID. So by using this ID, we'll be able to join these 2 tables. Let us see how do we do it. So let us understand this in a bit more detail. We are saying select C dot customer ID, C dot name, O dot customer ID. Where is the C coming from? If we observe carefully, we are aliasing customers as C, orders as O. That is the reason instead of using customers dot customer underscore ID, we are just saying C dot customer ID. Isn't it convenient? Yes, it is. That is the one aspect. Second thing is we are saying customers inner join orders on C dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. That is, here we are mentioning the condition. I want to join these 2 tables on the customer ID. The condition being customer ID should be equal to order customer ID. One more important aspect here is if you look at the inner join, we have customers table on the left of this particular keyword, that is inner join. Orders is on the right side of the inner join. That means say that in terms of this query, customers is the left table, orders is the right table. So when we go ahead and execute this, what exactly happens is customer ID from customers is iteratively compared with the customer ID of orders. Wherever the records are matching, only those records are included as a part of the results. Let's take an example. 1 here is compared with the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 customer IDs in orders table. Same thing happens with the customer ID 2. Same thing with 3, 4, 5, 6. So each value of the customer ID column of customers would be compared with the each value of the customer ID column of orders table. Wherever the customer ID of customer is matching with the customer ID of orders, those records are brought together as a part of the results. Let us go ahead and execute this query. There comes the results. If you see here, only Ankita, Sahil, Karthik with the customer ID 234 are the common records between the customer table and orders table. Ankita has a customer ID as 2. That customer ID is there in the orders table as well. Then we have Sahil, customer ID 3. That customer ID is also there in orders. Same is the case with Karthik. But how about 5 and 6? Do you have a 5 customer ID in orders? No. That is the reason that is filtered out. 6, is it there as a part of this orders table? No. That is the reason it's filtered out. On the other hand, if you look at 7, do we have that in customer table? It is not. It is filtered. 8, no. 9, no. This is how inner join works. As a part of the inner join, only the matching records from the left table and the right table are brought together as a part of the results. Let us understand few more ways of doing the inner join. As a part of the conceptual class, we understood inner join is the default join. Okay, if you don't provide the inner keyword, then also it works. If you just say only join, don't say anything, just say join. Join means it takes as an inner join. If you don't provide any join, inner join or any join, if you just provide join, it considered you are trying to do a inner join. Inner join is the default join. Okay, results are same. One more way of executing this is just say join using customer ID. Instead of saying customer ID is equal to customer ID, because customer ID is anyway common between the two tables in this case. So we are just saying using customer ID. This you can do only the column name is same in both the tables. If the column name is different, you have to go with the this particular condition. So this is one more way of using the inner join. We can also use the inner join with the where condition. Why do we need where condition? To filter the data which is getting to the results. So let us experience that also. What we are doing here is do everything the same thing where age should be greater than 30. Only the records which are greater than 30 would be funneled into inner join. With that, what happens is in results we get only 2 records. Why are we getting 2 records? Because if you look at the data, only Ankita and Karthik are having a age greater than 30. On the other hand, Soil has a age less than 30. That is the reason Soil is filtered out from the where condition. Excellent. We understood how inner join works. Please do practice. Thank you.